Doing, welcome back to another video. You guys, it has been long I made vlog. Like, I've not made vlog for the past 2 weeks, so today we are going to be vlogging. If today is your first time of coming, you are welcome. You are welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. On this YouTube we film about DIY natural ingredient, flat tummy and lifestyle. Okay, consider to subscribe to our channel so whenever we upload a video you will be the first to be notified. So guys, we are vlogging today. I'm going to take you guys around my town, like around my city. I'm going to, before I go to where there is noise, let me quickly tell you guys where we are going. I'm going to supermarket. There's this supermarket that's close to me. They are doing sales, so I'm going there to see if I will see 1 or 2 things to pick before the sales will end. So guys, let me turn the camera and show you guys my city. So guys, we are going. They are doing sales. Can you imagine? This is 25 euros. These tops, they are 25 euros. No, most of those tops, they were like 60 something euro before. They now brought it down to 25 euros. Summer sales and all that. Yeah, a lot of sales going on right now in Italy. And this is where I buy my undies. If you want to buy your undies, I'm not going there today. I don't want to buy anything. I'm just showing you guys my brown undies. This one of the place I buy it. So guys, there's a video I uploaded on my face wash, the soap. I uploaded yesterday or day before yesterday. So this is where I bought it from. This natural place, you know, this a boristeria. So this is where I buy it from. So in case you are looking for where to buy, this is the place. They are selling it, all this natural stuff. You can see my soap, my face wash there, that green one. That is my soap that I'm using. Yeah, let me take you guys around my city today. You guys are going to love it. Oh, that's beautiful stores. This store is very expensive, so they serve Louis Jo, Mass Marie, Kevin Klein. Their things is very expensive. Because they are doing sales, that's why you are seeing all these 59 and normally you can see the normal price, 2 something. You won't even get it. Expensive store, expensive lies. Yeah, we're still going. A lot of sales ongoing everywhere. In my city, everywhere is closed. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is the store we are going. These candies, they are doing sales. Let's see if they sell beauty stuff. So let's see if they have what's like 1 or 2 stuff to buy. Hey guys, they have Pampers, so I think it's 2 pairs for 5 euro. I'm going to buy you. This is to wash feet. If you want to wash your feet, this is what I use in washing my feet. If you want to do your pedicure at home, beautiful stuff. Guys, I just came out. I went inside and I wanted to vlog, and they said they don't allow vlogging inside, you know, Italia with their Italia with their type of, most of them with their type of resist, you know. So I just have to let go, and I will show you guys later. When I got home, I got a lot of stuff, you know, not just a lot. I was so angry, so I have to just buy some stuff and leave, you know. Yes, but I was still going to show you guys what I bought. They spoiled my mood. I was having the mood of vlogging today, so they spoiled everything. Yes guys, I will show you guys what I got when I got home later. Okay, see you guys later. So guys, I just got home, so I'm going to show you guys what I got from that shop which I went. I got this this perf. I got this as well. I got nails cleaner. I got this to clean nails. I got this. I just decided to get this one. I have the big one, so I love the smallest one, so I have to get this. And I got these 2 pampers for Josh, and this one they have it says. I wanted to buy a lot of it. I still have the big pampers at home, but I wanted to buy a lot of this one since they are having sales. So, but I just decided to get these 2. Normal price, this one is €5.99, but because they are having sales, I bought it 2 for €5. You know, so 2 for €5. I got this for table. I got this to wash toilet, and I have to get this deodorant, and I got this baby oil, my son's oil for hair. This is what my son's use for his hair, so I have to get this. And this one on a normal price, I bought it €4 something, but today they were really doing sales. I got it €1 something. So yeah, they really have cheap things. I got all these things that I got was so cheap for me. So I got this band. You know, normally I do DIY, so just to pack my hair, and it was €1 something, and I decided to get this as well. Okay, so guys, this is all that I got. It's really good. I love them. I love this perf that I got, you know. So the perf, I think it costs €12 something for one, because it was sales. Normal it's 20 something euro or 30 something euro, thereabouts. I don't use one perf. I change perf anyhow. I have a lot different type of perf, so I need to smell different type of smell. But some people they have one perf they are using. Me, I don't have one perf. I have different type of perf. So if you are that type that have different type of perf, yourself, alert me, leave it on the comment section. I have this. I still have Calvin Klein. I have Dolce & Gabbana. I have a lot different type of perf. Yes guys, that is how we roll. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe to our channel, so we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video.